Go on then.
We've got a Chiron in the workshop, Davey. Look at it. Goes forwards and backwards. It's got opening doors. It's got a little engine in the back, look. We don't need ramps because I can just pick it up with my hands. Mate, how badass are these things? Fully working gearbox, fully working engine. Takes about 3 years to put together.
I bet you had some fun doing that with the boys.
Mate, it's proper, innit?
Yeah.
So it can go up on the shelf now to get dusty and never get touched.
Well,
like the others.
Shall we just have a quick look at the...
How does the door go down? There's one. Oh yeah, it's got like arms or something in it. There we go.
Your wheel seems to have had a camber issue.
Oh yeah. Typical Bugatti, mate. Oh no, my wheels actually come off, that's why. Oh, you left their wheels loose. Oh no, my wing fell off.
You're causing devastation.
I know.
That is a nice collection.
What have we got in the workshop today then, mate?
So we've got a Lamborghini Chiron.
Sharon.
A Chiron.
Yeah, a Sharon. Yeah, what's that? Bugatti Chiron. I can't remember what they call it. The Sian.
I think it's a Ciano.
GT3 RS.
Yeah. And another GT.
Yeah, RS. That's the RS.
RS.
Race one. Mate, I mean, look how bloody complicated they are. Like, that's a proper working gearbox in the back of that. Look, you've got a little diff.
Yep. It's a great way for kids to learn how these things work, isn't it?
Kids to learn? Like that. That's the same. And then, obviously, proper gear. Look, gear synchros, everything. You can go through gears. Steering moves. Four-wheel drive's just got front drive shaft as well. This one's actually got paddles. So this was the first one they came out with, PDK. And then look, these are paddles. So you actually change gears with them.
Now that is super cool.
Yeah, and then when you go underneath that, I don't know whether you can see it now. I have to move the wheels at the same time, but you're actually moving the gears. It actually, mate, it's mega.
I wonder how many other tuners have got a collection like this. I bet there's a few.
Yeah, I bet no one's workshop. Look. Bugatti luggage. Sorry, that's Lamborghini luggage. It's a cool looking workshop, isn't it, Carl?
It's pretty good. Impressive.
We've got a proper clickbait. So you got.
Yeah, cool.
But now we need to get a ladder and put them back up.
So what's the next one they've got due out?
I don't know what is next. I don't know what it is next. I'll have to find out.
You need a Ferrari to add to the collection and a McLaren.
I don't think these size ones. I think they do a Freelander, don't they? Or
the Freelander looks good.
Yeah. But they're cool, aren't they?
Yeah. If you're into cars, you can't not be into these.
And like ridiculously, that Bugatti was like 300. Mate, this must be like £1,000 worth of Lego models sat there. And I still haven't got my Lego Death Star.
The Death Star's about 500 quid.
Well, they do two. There's one that's like 500 quid, and then they do one that's like a metre in diameter. That's like $2.5 grand.
Okay, that's the one you need.
So, Kate would probably let me buy it if I sold my bike. So, need instruction. Honestly, the books are like that.
Yeah,
they're like that.